Shalom, Israel, giving all praise to Yahweh, Ba'ashem Yahushua, Ba'ashem Rakakadash, double honors to the elders of GMS. Salutations to you, Akim, out there pushing this word, risking your life and your freedom to do so. It's going to be, another short video, another one, because, this topic never ends. Again, we are in the land of our captivity, in the land of Sodom and Gomorrah, where the freaks come out at night, okay? So, there's a video I stumbled upon. I was watching Tommy Sotomayor, and if anybody knows him, go check him out. His channel is TNN Raw and Uncut, and he talks a lot about issues concerning the so-called black community, which in the scriptures we know them as Judah or the Southern Kingdom, which are the biblical Israelites. You Negroes, Latinos, and Native Americans are true indeed the biblical Israelites according to the Bible. And he's basically rebuking them for that action and confusion. You see, and it's another reason why the Lord calls this Sodom and Gomorrah, Babylon, because it's a land of confusion. There's nothing but confusion there. Okay, as you can see, this guy in the middle, he's a big doofball. Okay, he's a sodomite. Okay, an effeminate spirit. As you can see, this is, we don't really need to tell. These two are dykes. And it's unfortunate because they're very pretty young women. But, the Lord gave them over to that perverse and wicked spirit. And this one, I guess he goes both ways. But all four of them are coming against him now. As you can tell, this is young Pharaoh. He's very stout and what would you say, passionate about Egyptology and his beliefs on that. Okay, he's another lost soul, but it's pretty much confusion going on. But the topic I want to talk about is fighting for gay rights. Okay, which is totally off according to the scriptures. And the channel is Who Hurt You, and the whole time he's hurting them, which is a fact. So I'm just gonna play a little bit of videos, man, and I'm gonna get into the scriptures. That's a fact. It's a fact. What my man Young Pharaoh said was the truth. Was the truth according to the Bible, and all of them look cut to the heart. You see, this is John 3:19, and this is the condemnation that light is come into the world, and men love darkness rather than light, because their deeds was evil. Okay, and pretty much this chapter was about Yahushua, who the world we call Jesus Christ, coming into the world and rebuking the world for his wrongdoing, which is the first five books of Moses. That's where the law was contained, and he pretty much rebuked the world. But as the scripture said again, I'll read it. John 3:19, and this is the condemnation, that light is coming to the world, and men love darkness rather than light, because their deeds were evil. These people's deeds are evil, man. And it quotes that in Deuteronomy. Deuteronomy quotes the evil deeds of Sodom, of sodomy. Okay, and I can get that really quick, which is an abomination to the Lord. You see, and when we say it, we offend a lot of people, but It's the truth. This is Deuteronomy 23, verse 17. There shall be no whore of the daughter of Israel, i.e., this woman. She's a whore, okay? Nor a sodomite of the sons of Israel, nor a sodomite, or lesbian, or queer, okay, homosexual. There should be none of that amongst the children of Israel. You see? And the scripture also say, man lie with man like he lied with a woman. Both of them should be put to death. And vice versa, woman with woman. You see? So their deeds was evil. And this is Jude 1 and 7. Even as Sodom and Gomorrah and the cities about them in like manner giving themselves over to fornication and going after strange flesh are set forth for an example, suffering the vengeance of eternal fire. And that's going after strange flesh. You see? So let me rewind it back when I hear a little bit. That's true, because you see, there's a lot of madness going on, man. Uh, you see, this is Isaiah 1 and 9. Said the Lord of hosts, and left unto us a very small remnant. We shall have been at Sodom, we shall have been like unto Gomorrah. And we definitely need a small remnant to be saved, man, because if not, we'd have been like the Sodom and Gomorrah, which is destroyed by a fire from heaven. Isaiah 13:19, in Babylon, the glory of kingdoms, the beauty of the Chaldean excellency should be as when God overthrew Sodom and Gomorrah. And that's what he did to ancient Sodom and Gomorrah, the Chaldees, the modern day is America. Because there's going to be a missile shot over there through the spirit, power Yahweh Shemel Shah. Jeremiah 49:18, as in the overthrow of Sodom and Gomorrah and the neighboring cities thereof, save the Lord. No man should abide there, neither the son of man should dwell therein. Okay, that's talking about America, because this is the main place where this is perpetuated. You see, this the madness. What the scriptures say, can two walk together lest they be agreed? Of course it's going to be one-sided because you believe in one thing and he believes in another. But I have to agree with Jay Farrell, man. That lifestyle is off. It's wicked, and God is not of God. Okay? And as you can see, that's where, they got cut to the heart and they wanted to go to fist fighting. So, you see, ain't nothing but confusion and madness comes out of that. And thereafter is destruction and fire. Thus saith the Lord. Okay, with that, giving no praise to Yahweh, Bashim Shah, Bashim Rakakadas, Dawah said elders, salutations to you, Akim. Shalom.